If you've been looking for a lazy way to make over $100 a day like I did, or up to $1,000 fast, then this short video is gonna blow your mind and make you easy money guaranteed. All you need to do is click a few buttons which they tell you in a signal group, and if what you are told is correct, you make money right away. But if you are wrong, they fully compensate you, which means there is no risk of you losing your own money, and also you can trade from as low as $10 if you are skeptical. It's never been easier to make money online trading. So if you know how stocks, forex or crypto trading works, this is similar. Only difference is that you are told in advance or given signals of where the Bitcoin price is going to be in the next minute. I'm actually going to show you how I made a couple dollars in a few minutes by the end of this video. So all you basically do is speculate whether the Bitcoin price is going to be big, small, odd or even. And the speculation is all done for you. Now here's how it works. First you go to coinrise.org, then you put your trading time frame to 1 minute, because with this website you make money every single minute. After that, using whatever amount that you've decided to trade with, all you need to do is input that amount into this trading calculator. Then you go to this Telegram signal group which gives you all the signals you need. Then you trade according to the signals that you are given, which are big, small, odd or even, and following the calculator so that when you lose money while trading, they can fully compensate you. For example, I made $80 within just a few minutes by simply doing the following. First, I started with an investment of $50 to trade with, as you can see. Then I went to the signal group to see what I was supposed to trade. Then in the signal group I was told to trade big, meaning the Bitcoin price in the next minute is gonna be a big number. Then I used 0.1 USDT to trade, which I'm recommended to use according to their calculator. Then after the countdown I won. Then I was told to trade big, again using the recommended amount from the trading calculator, which was also a win. Then I was told to select odd on another trade, which also came out to be a win, which now brought my money to $51. And after continuing doing their easy to follow signals and doing a couple more trades, my money rose to $58, then $65, all the way up to $71 until I decided to stop trading at $80. Meaning I made $30 of full profit using their signals in just a couple of minutes of trading from a small amount that I started with. This is by far one of the easiest ways out there to make money online. So if you want to know everything step by step on how to easily make money with this site, then click this video which is going to walk you through everything bit by bit.